Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Nammi. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the WONDERSKIN lip stain in Whimsical. Now, I have literally been using this product every single day and I think it's so perfect for us brown girls, so please keep watching. So now we're going to let it dry for about 5 minutes and you can just get ready and do the rest of yourself whilst it's drying. One thing I will say, make sure you've got an even coating all over the lips. You don't want some areas to be a bit more translucent or a bit more thin because then it's going to affect the quality of the pigment. So just make sure that you've got an even coating all over. And it's also a good opportunity to go and scare people because you can just pretend that you're going out like this and yeah, it's a good reaction to get out of your loved ones. Okay, so once it's dried, you can go like this and you can tell it's dried because it starts to crack like so, okay? So once that's done, just take a tissue and you want to damp it a little bit. I prefer to damp it. You don't actually have to according to the instructions, but I just find it easier to do it this way. Get it a bit damp and then you can just wipe away the excess. And then to finish off the look, I'm just going to line my lips. I use the Plum Lip Liner by MAC, and then I'm just going to add some lip gloss on. So let me show you. So here we have the final colour. I absolutely love it. I just think it's perfect for brown skin. It's just such a deep hue of pink with a hint of red and it just really complements the brown skin tone. So I would definitely recommend this. It does last about 6 to 8 hours. Obviously, if you're drinking and eating a lot, it does start to wear down, particularly sort of in the middle area. So do bear that in mind. You can always carry it to top it up. And because it's quite a dry material, I would recommend that you always use your moisturizing lip balm or lip gloss as well because it will just help keep it like fresh looking and hydrated. And always make sure you moisturize beforehand. And yeah, I'm excited to try the other WONDERSKIN products. So let me know if you guys have tried any of the other colors and if they look good on brown skin. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like. Do subscribe down below to my channel and do let me know in the comments below if you like these kind of videos and if you'd like to see more makeup on brown skin. Hope you guys have a lovely day and I'll see you in my next video. Kisses!